Hello everyone. We are getting very close to the end, and I did receive and grade all of your test number 3s, and to those who have submitted envelopes, they will be mailed tomorrow, so expect those back in the mail the next day or so. I see a lot of problems with the inequalities and with the absolute values, and there was an announcement that I posted that listed all the general forms for all of those equations and inequalities with absolute values. So you really need to take a look at that and review that. And some of you who didn't or weren't able to do that on the review also weren't able to do that on the exam. So the point I'm trying to make is what you see on the review is very similar to what you're going to see on the exam. So please do that and ask questions before the exam if you still have questions on the review. Now I've pasted this announcement as well to show you how you can calculate what you need to get on the final in order to pass the class or to get a B or to get an A. So you need to look in your grade book and get these totals, which are still being updated because there's still going to be another discussion. I'm still grading your homework and study skills and quizzes, and they will be updated. But to give you an idea of where you are, you can use your current cumulative grade for each of these sections and then plug them into one of these equations. One of these equations is going to tell you you're going to be solving for F because you'll be able to get your H, Q, D, and E from your grade book. If you want to see what you need to get a C and pass the class, you'll use this equation and you'll be solving for F. If you want to get a B and see what you need to get, you can solve this one. And if you want an A, see what you want to get an A, you'll use this third one. Now, of course, if you solve for F and you wind up with an answer like 110, that tells you that that's not going to be possible. You're not going to be able to get an A. And hopefully that won't happen in this first equation if you're just looking to pass the class. The key here is know where you stand and know what you don't understand. And then you can ask about it and get that sorted out before that final exam. So the final exam opens up in just a couple of days, just to have it open over the Thanksgiving break. That will give you extra time and you can take it whenever you want, as long as it's done by the 2nd of December. Oh my gosh, can't believe it's almost December. So I hope not to spoil your Thanksgiving break. It's unfortunate that we really don't have much time for the rest of this class, and if you have questions on anything that we're finishing up in Chapter 11 now, please ask. And there is that section in the discussions where you can ask any questions and review your work. I haven't yet posted those blank tests, but I will get that done. Test number 1, test number 2 should be posted under those sections in your content area over the next day or two. It's going to be a few more days before test number 3 is going to be posted. But again, if you have any questions, go back and look over the review questions and let me know. Good luck, and hope to be hearing from you. Bye-bye.